Welcome to this technical guide on the HP13A. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP13A won't charge at all, you're not alone. This issue can stem from a faulty battery or a loose connection. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and costly. Today, we'll walk you through how to safely tackle this issue. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement battery for your HP13A. First, ensure your device is completely powered off. Begin by carefully removing the back cover. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the casing along the seams, taking care not to damage the clips that hold it in place. Once the back cover is off, you will see the battery compartment. The battery is typically located near the bottom of the device and is secured with screws. Remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver, keeping them in a safe place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, carefully disconnect the battery's connector from the motherboard. Be gentle to avoid damaging the surrounding components. Once disconnected, you can remove the old battery. Place the new battery into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery connector, ensuring it is secure. After you've completed these steps, replace the screws to secure the battery in place, and then reattach the back cover by pressing it firmly to ensure it clicks into place. Finally, power on your HP13A and check if it is charging correctly. If it is, congratulations! You've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure that you regularly check your battery health and avoid letting it fully deplete frequently. Keeping your device updated can also help maintain battery performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.